All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Yeah, this coin, this cryptocurrency is up crazy in the last 7 days, over 50%. I mean, we're going to go over that. Dogelon Mars. I mean, we talk about it all the time. Every 3 to 4 days, we're talking about Dogelon Mars. So I know you've been listening to it. So this coin is up big time. Now, there's been a lot of listings, a lot of new places that Dogelon Mars is listed. Gemini, Flexa. We're going to go through all these different new things that Dogelon Mars is on. Also, today being Sunday, we normally talk about Tom Brady, what he's getting into, and this and that. Probably going to happen again. Because he's going to talk about it all day. But Mac Jones, the quarterback for the Patriots, he's a rookie. He gifted his whole offensive line some cryptocurrency. Yeah, like Bitcoins and stuff. So we're gonna dig into that too, being Sunday, football Sunday. Mac Jones, not Tom Brady, but Mac Jones for the Patriots, gifting cryptocurrency to his offensive line. All kinds of good stuff going on today on Sunday. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Hey everybody, yesterday was Christmas. I hope you all had a great time. Today is Sunday, the day after Christmas. A lot of people are still doing like Christmas today, going to see the next part of the family, or you can't see everybody in one day. So I do know that people are still traveling, people are still on the holidays. Keep having a great time and everything. So with that, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, take a look at this. Dogelon Mars, 103. So it's the 103rd cryptocurrency in CoinMarketCap. Over to the right here, gigantic, huge, unbelievable, up 52%. Yeah, 52% right here in the last 7 days. Now, it's a 2% up in the last 24 hours, but we all know that you got to hold your coins a little bit. So if you've had your coins for over a week, your Dogelon Mars, take a look at that. All right, again, in the last 24 hours, it's up about 2.27%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1626. We'll go over a price prediction a little bit later in the episode. Taking a look in the last 7 days, we got Dogelon down here, ATV, a vehicle, and then all of a sudden we have to go up the hill, like freaking super up the hill. Take a look at this. Again, Dogelon Mars is up 50-some% in the last 7 days. That is absolutely awesome. Why is this? Right here on the Twitter account, we've come so far with the help of our friends. We made it this way. I'm honored to call Gemini, I think it's called Huobi Global, my newest friend, and welcome to the mission to Mars. So guess what? Huobi Global is now listed on Dogelon Mars and Gemini. So Gemini has listed. Well, also we know that on the Flexa network, right here, and that's a wrap. We're closing the 25 days of Flexa. There in the middle, there's Dogelon Mars' little face. Well, Dogelon Mars is also listed. We'll scroll down a little bit right here. And right here, Dogelon Mars. So Dogelon Mars is listed on Flexa. And what is Flexa? Flexa is a way that you can actually trade your cryptocurrency by using the Spenda app, and it's powered by AMP. So more digital assets than any other payment network. So guess what? On Flexa, Dogelon Mars is on there too. But over at Gemini, also Dogelon Mars is on Gemini. Gemini is the next generation of crypto exchanges and custodian that allows customers to buy, sell, and earn digital assets. Gemini. So guess what? Now Dogelon Mars is on Gemini too. Freaking fantastic. Now being up 50% in the last 7 days, starting to get listed on all these new exchanges is probably the reason, I mean, nobody knows, that everybody is buying more Dogelon. Because when more and more people have access to buy the coin, and the ticker's name Elon, I mean, it's going to keep going up and going up. Now, we also know the whales like the Dogelon Mars a lot. We've been talking about that. We also know in the month of November on the Twitter, it was the 7th most talked about cryptocurrency on the Twitter in the month of November. December, we're still in it right now. So all kinds of good stuff. Let's go ahead and head over to Dogelon. This is how Dogelon Mars, Shiba, Dogecoin can perform bullish in 2022. So here we go. We got Dogelon Mars right over here. Now Shiba, Dogelon should witness more exchange listings. So this is one of the big things. Shiba's a little bit ahead of the game here. It says for Shiba, exchange listings have already become a major accomplishment. This asset is already listed on Coinbase, Binance, Bitstamp, Crypto.com, etc. They're only kind of waiting on Robinhood to accept them. However, the community continues to push for the Robinhood. Now right here, Dogelon Mars, plenty of room for listings and upgrades. Because again, just like it being up 50% right this second as we're speaking, because it's getting listed on Gemini and all these new Flexas and everything. Upgrade right now, the asset is available on Crypto.com and Gemini and other regional exchanges such as KuCoin. But big hitters as Coinbase and Binance are not yet to get on board. Exchanges are accepting Dogelon. Now listen to this. Once the exchanges have listed Dogelon, the possibility of renewed price discovery increased in the market. Elon is up 4,100% since September of 17. So not 10% up, not 100% up, not 1,000% up. It's up 4,100% since September. There's also a lot of whale involvement, which is real good for Dogelon Mars. With that, we're going to come back to Dogelon. I want to go ahead and jump over to right here. Patriots quarterback Mac Jones gifts Bitcoin to his entire offensive line. So Bitcoin quarterback. So Mac Jones' Christmas gift to offensive line includes cryptocurrency. The New England quarterback Mac Jones surprised the offensive line the Christmas gift on Friday after practice. The rookie effort impressed left guard Ted. He did an outstanding job. We got a big haul over here. And let me explain everything that he got. One of the best efforts, especially by a rookie, show appreciation to wish a Merry Christmas. I'm very thankful to him and very glad to be his teammate this Christmas. So Mac Jones is gifting cryptocurrency to his players. According to the Bitcoin magazine, Jones's gift to the Patriots, 12 offensive linemen included the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. He says, I've been studying Bitcoin for a while. Jones says, this year I knew I had to give some Bitcoin to my teammates. So I reached out to Bitcoin magazine and asked for some help to how to gift the Bitcoin. Now in making this selection, Jones worked with Bitcoin magazine, who liked the quarterback when he was in Alabama. So yep, everybody, Bitcoin. All right, so we got quarterbacks in the NFL gifting cryptocurrency. Pretty interesting. Dogelon Mars is up 50%. We're going to run back over and do a price prediction. Pretty good stuff. It keeps getting listed on all kinds of things, which is really, really good. We got NFL players not getting into things. I mean, Tom Brady's getting into cryptocurrency and he's doing a trade. I get it. But offensive linemen giving cryptocurrency to the offensive linemen. Normally it's, clothes and this and that. Just like the fans in the stands are getting Bitcoin when Tom Brady gifted a Bitcoin. A whole new thing is going on with cryptocurrency. Wait till a couple months from now when it's the Super Bowl and we're watching the Super Bowl commercials, and the best Super Bowl commercials happen to be cryptocurrency commercials. All right, everybody, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars. All right, back over here, Dogelon Mars is up 52% in the last 7 days. Clicking it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1629. My price prediction is going to be 5 zeros, and it's going to go to 3000, 3000. It's almost a 2x. Now, probably by the end of the first quarter of next year, all our information is for educational purposes only. But like they said in the article there's so many more exchanges that are going to list Dogelon Mars, and every time an exchange listed, those people that are using that exchange are going to say, oh, new listing, Dogelon Mars. Oh, the ticker's Elon, and you know what happens from there. So yeah, all kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Dogelon Mars is going off the chart. It's up 4,100% since September 17th of this year. In 90 days, the coin's up 4,100%. Holy cow, everybody. All right, everybody. Have a fantastic day today. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. And we'll see you a little bit later today on a bonus video.